The Lenski Bluetooth Beanie is a remarkable fusion of technology and comfort designed for those who want to stay warm while enjoying music and hands-free communication. This product has gained significant attention for its thoughtful design and practical features, making it a standout in the category of wearable tech accessories. It is crafted from soft acrylic material that ensures warmth and comfort, suitable for year-round use, not just in winter. The beanie fits most head sizes comfortably, eliminating the usual sizing concerns that come with headwear. This makes it a versatile gift option for various occasions such as Christmas, Father's Day, or Valentine's Day. Users have praised the softness of the wool, noting it is superior to many competitors, contributing to a pleasant wearing experience. One of the defining features of this beanie is the integrated Bluetooth 5.0 technology, which provides high-definition HiFi sound quality. This allows users to listen to music, podcasts, or other audio content with clarity and depth, effectively turning the beanie into a personal concert hall. The Bluetooth connection is seamless and reliable, with a range of up to 33 feet, giving users freedom of movement without losing connection. This feature is particularly appreciated by those who engage in outdoor activities such as jogging, hiking, or working outside, as it combines entertainment with practicality. The beanie also includes a built-in stereo speaker and microphone, enabling hands-free phone calls. This functionality is a major convenience for users who need to stay connected without fumbling for their phones, especially in cold or busy environments. The controls allow for easy management of calls, volume adjustment, and track skipping, all accessible without removing the hat. The microphone quality has been reported as clear and effective, making conversations effortless. Additionally, the Bluetooth headphones are removable and washable, which is a thoughtful design choice that maintains hygiene and extends the product's lifespan. Another innovative aspect of the Lenski Bluetooth Beanie is the integrated headlight on the front. This light is bright and offers multiple settings, providing additional visibility in low light conditions. It is removable, which adds to the convenience and versatility of the beanie. This feature is particularly useful for people who work outdoors, walk in the dark, or enjoy nighttime activities. Reviewers have highlighted the light's effectiveness, noting it as a valuable addition that enhances safety and usability. The battery life of the beanie is impressive, with just 1.5 hours of charging time delivering up to 100 hours of standby, or 8 to 12 hours of active use for music and calls. This endurance is more than sufficient for daily use and extended outdoor adventures. The charging port has been upgraded to USB-C, which is a modern standard that offers faster and more convenient charging compared to older micro USB ports found in competing products. This upgrade reflects the brand's attention to current technology trends and user convenience. Quality and durability are consistently praised by users. The beanie's material feels smooth and well-made, with no uncomfortable seams that might irritate the wearer. This contrasts positively with some competitors that have seams in less comfortable locations. The overall build quality ensures that the beanie holds up well to regular use, including outdoor and activewear. Many users have reported gifting this beanie to family members such as sons, uncles, and husbands, who have all expressed great satisfaction with its performance and comfort. From a usability standpoint, the Lenski Bluetooth Beanie excels. It is easy to pair with devices, simple to operate, and comfortable enough for long periods of wear. The combination of warmth, sound quality, hands-free calling, and lighting makes it a multifunctional accessory that meets the needs of modern users. Whether for casual walks, outdoor work, or recreational activities, this beanie offers a unique blend of features that enhance the user experience. On the downside, some users might find the price point higher than a standard beanie, but the added technology and convenience justify the investment. Also, while the battery life is generally excellent, heavy users might need to recharge more frequently if used continuously for calls or music. However, the quick charging time mitigates this concern. In summary, the Lenski Bluetooth Beanie is an innovative and practical product that stands out in the wearable tech market. It combines warmth, high-quality audio, hands-free communication, and a useful headlight into a single stylish and comfortable package. The positive feedback from a wide range of users underscores its reliability and appeal. For anyone looking to enhance their outdoor experience with smart technology, this beanie is a highly recommended choice. It also makes an excellent gift for tech enthusiasts and outdoor lovers alike. Remember to check the product link in the description to support the channel and consider leaving your own review to help others make informed decisions.